our pan balance. Okay, so the weight is 48. I think we did this here, placed it down here. So I wanted to put this side is 48 grams. This side is 48 grams. Here we had 8 apples, slices. So I have 8. I'm going to put AS for apple slices. And over here we had orange slices, so it needed to have more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So these are 12 orange slices, and we needed to know the difference. Well, I'm trying to remember which student said we needed to divide, so we were doing division. Sorry about that. So I needed to take 48 divided by 8 will give me the weight of each slice. 48 divided by 12 will give me the weight of each slice of oranges. So this is the apple and orange. So 8 goes into 48 6 times. So that would be 6 grams for each apple slice. We said that 12 goes into 48, and that was 4 times. So each orange slice has a weight of 4 grams. Okay, so we're going to use this information for what we need to do today. So we're going to come over here, and I'm going to draw the same scale. So I have my scale here. And on the right side is 1 apple. Okay? On the left side is where he has 3 apples, apple slices, 4 orange slices, and that's the way I'm going to do it. And then this is, I'm just going to put, let me just draw, not draw it out, but just write 1 apple slice. But they're not balanced, because what did we say that the weight of the apple slice is? 6 grams. So I'm going to put apple slice over here is 6 grams. And then I know that the orange slice is 4 grams. So how many do I have here? I have 3, and my apple slice is, each one is 6 grams. So my equation will then be 3 times 6. That gives me how much? That's 18. My orange slices, I have 4. It weighs 4 grams each. Well, over here I have 4 orange slices at 4 grams each. That's 16 grams. So I needed to add those together to find out how much weight is on this side. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Regroup my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. So the weight on this side is 34 grams. But I only put 1 apple slice over here, which is only 6 grams, right? How many more? So what would be my equation? This is what I have. That's my total. 34 equals, and then I will have, let's do x, and x would be the missing variable, plus 6. So my apple slice is 6 grams. How many more oranges then would I need? Well, let's look at this. How far am I away from 34? 28. Very good, because I took the difference. because I needed to see how far I am away. So I can also add one orange, 2 orange. So if I added 1 orange, so orange slices, as those of you that are still getting confused, I'm going to put orange slices right here. So if I add 1 orange slice, that's 4 grams. I'll make it into a T-chart to help you out. Or actually just a table. This is going to be slices. And this is the weight. I'm so sorry. Let me get an eraser. Yikes. All my pencils are gone. Wow, how did my pencils disappear? Okay, I need to erase this part. So let me draw it out like this. Because I want you to be able to put the rule on your table. This one here is going to be, I'm going to put OS for orange slices. This is my rule. This is the weight. Okay? I kind of went in on that part. Alright. So for 1 orange slice, it's 4 grams. What did I do to get from 1 to 4? You're right, I had to multiply. So I'm going to put times 4. So if there's 2 orange slices times 4, what is that? That's 8. Very good. If I have 3 times 4, that's 12. Can I keep going? Yes, I can. And I'm going to run out of space here, but you probably still have space. That's 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, then let me continue down here. I hope that doesn't confuse you, and I hope you understand. I'm going to write continue. OS for orange slices. I had my rule and my weight. So I'm at 4. The next is at 5. My rule was multiply that by 4 grams. That was from yesterday. That's 20. So 20 plus 6. So all I'm doing is, well, I had 4. If I added 4 to it, 4 plus 6 is 10. Do I get to my 34? No, so that's not enough. If I did 8, 8 plus 6 is 14. Am I balanced? No, I still need more orange slices. 12 plus 6 is 18. Not close enough, so I need to add more orange slices. That's only 3 orange slices. 16 plus 6, because that's my apple slice weight. So 16 plus 6 is 22. Still not good enough. Okay, because that's not enough. So I have to add more orange slices. So if I had 5 orange slices, that gives me 20 grams for my weight. 20 plus 6 is 26. Not good enough, not close enough, because I'm at 34. So what if I add another apple or another orange slice? And I have 6 orange slices times 4 is 24. 24 plus what I already have, that's 30. Is that going to get me where I'm at? No, because I need more. So let's do 7 times 4, because that's how much weight each orange slice weighs. 7 times 4 is 28. Well, let's look at this. 28 plus 6 equals, so let's do 28 plus 6 equals 34. So there it balances. So I need to add 7 orange slices to give me a total of 34 grams. So you had to make an outline, build a scale, show your work to find out how many orange slices to add to balance out your equation. Remember, it means that whatever you have on that left, you're equal to, you balanced it out on the right. So the answer is 7, and I'm going to place that up here. Carlo will need to place 7 orange slices on the right side. Okay? All right, let's move on to the next one. Next problem is, so I'll put 7 orange slices. Okay? Number 10. Brandy places weight measuring 1 gram, 5 grams, and 10 grams on the right side of the pan balance. She has a box of 2-gram weights and a box of 4-gram weights. Which combination of weights can be placed on the left side of Brandy, who wants the pans to balance? All right, so let me draw this out. So I have to think about it. Let me underline my first information. So she places on the weight, Brandy places weights measuring 1 gram. So she has 1 gram, 5 gram, and 10 grams on the right side. So in this little space, I'm just going to kind of build a little scale. Actually, I can do my equation. If you need to draw the drawings, I'll draw the drawings. But let's do the equation. So on the right side, I have 1 plus 5 plus 10. So how much is going to be in this little pan here? I have 10. So I have 5 plus 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 10, I have 16 grams on this side. Now she has a box of 2-gram weights and a box of 4-gram weights. So which combination can be placed on the left side if she wants the pans to balance? So if I have, so let's do, so I need to know how many are going to be on the 2-gram weight, right? She has a box. I don't know how many are in the box of 2-gram weights. So I need to put in parentheses, what could we use? Let's just do X. Oh, no, because it's multiplication. Let's do A. That's fine. You're just making up the letters. A times 2, because I have no idea how much is in there. Now I need to add whatever I'm doing to a box. How many are in this one of 4 grams? So I'm going to put B times 4. Close that up, because it needs to be 16. Well, let's look at my answer choices. She needs 4 grams of weight. So if I did 4 here, 4 times 4 is 16, but I can't do anything because I don't know how many of the 2 grams, right? Because she already has this. This equals here. But and my problem, it says that she also has a box of 2 grams of weights. So this won't work. All right. Now she has 2 grams. So I have 8 as my A times 2. That equals 16. But what about my 4-gram box? So this doesn't work either. So it says, well, if I use 2 4-gram weights, so this will be 2 times 4, that's 8, and 4